Hello everyone, today I'm doing a review for the space bar. This is a monitor stand which is made out of plastic and aluminum. This part right here is aluminum. As you can see, it's screwed into the plastic, and these are two different separate unit. This two comes as part if you need it, but you gotta unscrew it. I don't think anyone would do that, but that's how it is. And they have 4 USB ports, 2 on the side, 2 on the left, and these two powered by an outlet that is going to the back. And today I'm trying to do a weight bearing test. Before that, let's measure how much space does it have. As you can see, it's about 1.5, 1.5 inches space. I'm gonna put 2 10-pound kettlebells. Usually the monitor doesn't weigh over 20 pounds, so let's check. I'm gonna place it right in the middle. See if it has dropped anything. Oh yes, it does. It has dropped about 2 inches. I'm placing another kettlebell right there. I haven't shown more than, just like before, about 3 inches now. Just gained 1 more inches. So looking at that, would be able to see that it could withstand 20 pounds without any problem, which is good since it's made out of aluminum and plastic. So can it withstand the weight of 20 pounds? Yes, it can. And that's it, guys. This is the review for the space bar.